Hey everyone, it's Friedia here, and it is late. As you can see, my son is asleep, and I just wanted to hop on to let you guys know what I do for my hair care, or actually covering my grays. If you have been following me, then you know that I have always been struggling with gray hair, and now that I am a working mother, it is hard to find time to go to the hair salon. Also, financially, it's very difficult. So I haven't been going as much as I used to. I have a little secret. I have been using this Revlon Root Erase to just touch up the little gray hairs that are popping out. This is really great because in one bottle, you get 3 uses. It's very easy. You don't have to leave it on for too long. I can keep going on how great this product is, but I thought I would just show you guys what I do. Oh, this feels so good. Apologies for the hairdo. I have taken it down to start the process. So with your root erase, you get an instruction manual, which I highly recommend you read. First, you're gonna want to start off with some dry hair. Make sure it's not wet. I would highly recommend you cover your shoulders. I know this is a root touch-up, but you don't want it to get all over. I only want to do around the hairline and in between where I part my hair. I like to just add some either oil or conditioner around my hairline so I don't get the color on there. So today I'm just gonna put some conditioner. I'm just gonna put it around. For me, I always get it on the top of my ears, so I like to do that. Good. So how was your day, everyone? Mine's been busy as usual. This really is great when your son is asleep and you can do it within, I don't know, I would say all in all, doing this maybe 10-15 minutes. I have curly hair, I do have to do like a whole other process, but this is the quick part. Don't forget your gloves. If you're a pro, there are times where you only need 1, but luckily Revlon gives you 6, so you'll be able to use it 3 times. This big bottle, I feel like it'll last you more than 3 times. Remove the cap, and then all you have to do is you pump the color inside the cap. There's a marker line right here, so if you want, pump enough color to fill up the marker line. It probably filled up too much, but it's so easy. There's no shaking, there's no mixing. Well, there's a little bit of mixing, but you know, the whole like adding the dye and this liquid, and then all you have to do now is mix. I feel like I'm baking right now. It even smells pretty good, by the way. After it's fully mixed, you just apply to your roots. Also, Revlon has so many color options that I'm sure you'll find a color that's perfect for you. I usually like to get right here because that's where they all pop up for me. This color should last you for about 5 washes. I am a curly girl, so I don't wash my hair that often, so it'll last me a very long time. After you apply, all you have to do is wait 5 minutes. If you have really stubborn gray hair, then maybe an extra 5 minutes, but that's it, you guys. How easy was that? I'm just gonna fiddle on my phone for the next 5 minutes, and then it's time to rinse. If you want to be productive within the 5 minutes, you can clean the nozzle. You just pull this off, and the part that had the cream in, you clean it off. Same goes for the cap. So what I do is I just throw away whatever is left that I don't use. I wash it with some warm soap and water, assemble it back together, and I put it away for the next time I need it. It says 3 uses, but I definitely get way more uses. Alright, my 5 minutes is over. Now I'm going to go rinse my hair. What they recommend you to do is add a little bit of warm water and gently massage to blend the hair color into your hair. And then you rinse your hair until the water runs clear. So I'm gonna go wash my hair, style it and I'll be back. Good morning! So after I dyed my hair last night, I styled it and I passed out. So all my roots are covered and no grays are showing. Alright, so I'm off to work. I just wanted to show you, just let you know how I touch up my roots, and hopefully you guys will try it out. Thank you guys for watching till the end. I'll see you soon.